Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Beverly Hills and we are going to look at the Prime Minister of Jamaica's house. Now, look at these roads. These are very nice roads. The roads that lead up to his house. Look at this. I mean, you're going to see the difference between the straight ahead is the Prime Minister's house. Now look at this road. How nice it is. Mark here, let's look at the house first. Very nice house. Look at the brick wall. Very nice. I mean, the history of this house was the main topic of an election in the past. And I just wanted to look at the roads, how nice the roads are, painted lines, everything, when you're coming up to the house. Yeah, basically, I don't think it was the last election, but it was one of the elections. Everybody was making comments about how nice his house is, and they made the house a big part of the election campaign. But though GLP won the election, even with the whole house thing, so I don't think people really cared. But the house was on the front page of the newspaper, so that's why we decided to make this video, because we don't usually want to show people's homes. But the house was on the front page of the newspaper. I think everybody has actually knows the story of the house and what went on during the election. This is another view of the gate. So we decided to make this video. Alright, so that's the Prime Minister of Jamaica's house. Now we'll soon talk about, but just look at this road. Now, you've seen the state of the roads in these residential areas. And look at how nice this road is. Well paved, signage. Look on the wall. You have the yellow and red markers that glow in the night when the light touches them, so you know it's a wall. So this is actually the best residential road I have seen in a while. So maybe it's a coincidence that it leads to the Prime Minister's house. Not one pothole on the road. Maybe it's a coincidence. I don't know. Look at those markers on the wall. I mean, you don't see that in any other residential area. Nowhere else. Alright, so we're coming off Beverly Hills now, and the rest of the roads in Beverly Hills are not that good. Nothing compared to the road we just drove on. So this is a road the Prime Minister would drive on to go to work. And now straight ahead is Old Hope Road. So basically, okay, now the official residence for the Prime Minister is Vale Royal. But I know it's been a couple of years since a Prime Minister has actually resided there. But that is the official residence. But most of them live in their own homes. And I'm curious if the government pays to maintain his house and Vale Royal. So if anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Because, I mean, I'm just wondering if the government maintains both. Okay, so this is Old Hope Road. If we turn left, that would be Mountain View Avenue, and that will take you to the airport. We're going to turn right and go on Seaview Avenue and head back to... We're actually going to take a look at Vale Royal, which is the official residence. But Vale Royal is a very old building. It was built from probably before Jamaica got independence. Probably built back from maybe over 100 years ago. I'm not sure when. But we're going to take a look at it now. So we're on Seaview Avenue, and this is what they call the Golden Triangle area in Jamaica. On the right is the Chinese embassy. Now this area has a lot of townhouses and apartments. The only other area in Jamaica that might have more townhouses and apartments is the Millsboro area. I think this area is probably number 2 when it comes on to the number of townhouses and apartments. Straight ahead, that building is it's in the New Kingston area. That's the Via at Braemar. It's a new building that's still under construction. On the right is another location for the Chinese embassy. I think they have two. They built a new building and they still operate both. Or one might be the residence and the other one the office. Alright, so we're going to turn right onto Montrose now, and that's where Vale Royal is. So straight ahead, that's Vale Royal. See, as you can see, it's built out of board, so that can give you an idea of just how long ago it was built. But this is the official residence of the Prime Minister of Jamaica. But as we said at the beginning of the video, I don't think a Prime Minister has lived here for many years. Okay, we're not going to be able to drive in, but that's basically it. Now, the Prime Minister before Andrew Holness was Portia Simpson Miller, and she didn't live at Vale Royal. Before her was Bruce Golding, but he didn't live at Vale Royal either. And then before that was P.J. Patterson, and he never lived at Vale Royal either. And I think before P.J. Patterson was Edward Siaga, or no, Siaga was in the 80s. Yes, I think it was Edward Siaga, and he didn't live at Vale Royal either. So I'm not sure when was the last time a Prime Minister lived there. And if you take a look at Vale Royal and take a look at Mr. Holness's house, you'll see a big difference. So it's not uncommon for a Prime Minister not to live there, but Vale Royal is still listed as the official residence for the Prime Minister. Alright, so this is the Golden Triangle area now. It's in Ligonier. Now, this road is Hopefield Avenue at the intersection. It's famous for two schools, Campion College, which is one of the top high schools in Jamaica. It's actually the number 2 school. And a primary school, I think the primary school is Hopefield, and it's one of the top primary schools in Jamaica. And another very popular prep school, sorry. When I said no, these aren't prep schools, these are preschools, I think. Like kindergarten. But its building blocks is also on this road. So it's very popular for those schools. Also, the back entrance to Vale Royal is on this road. But a lot of townhouse complexes. As we said, only probably Millsboro has more. Okay, straight ahead now is the back of Vale Royal. It looks like it has, what's that, a tennis court? Yeah, it's a tennis court at the back. Okay, and I guess this land over here, no, this is a different lot because it's fenced right around, but gives you an idea just how big the lots are in this area. And the right now is like an abandoned house, huge property. I'm sure many developers have tried to buy that property, but huge property. Alright, so this is now Lady Musgrave Road. So we're going on to Lady Musgrave. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.